Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I will show you how to make this beautiful yellow flower painting with alcohol ink and little bit of acrylic paint and some markers, and I will show you step by step. This video is sponsored by Nara synthetic paper, and I'm going to review their paper to see how we can make beautiful paintings. And this is a synthetic paper which is 100% stain free, waterproof and tear proof. And for this painting I'm using the colors gold and yellow and honeycomb, basically, so two colors. Both are similar colors, so just to get the different shades I'm using these two colors, honeycomb and golden yellow. I don't think I'll be using the green, but just in case I took this bottle. So if this is your first time, please subscribe to my channel. And this is the isopropyl alcohol 91% that I put in a small white bottle. And first I'm adding this gold and yellow. And basically I follow the same steps. I add the alcohol ink, gold and yellow, and then I add the isopropyl alcohol. Then I just blow it using a air blower. This blower I got from Amazon. It's a small air blower, and with this blower the advantage is you can make this painting outdoor, because you don't want to inhale the toxic fumes inside homes. So when you make alcohol ink paintings, make sure to do outdoor or in a studio which is well ventilated with open windows and open doors. So that's very important. And I don't get exposed to this alcohol ink too much. I only spend a maximum 5 to 10 minutes at the most, and that also outdoor. So I hope you enjoy my tutorial. Please enjoy watching my video till the end. And the advantage I see about using Nara paper is that when you add alcohol ink and the isopropyl alcohol, the paint and the alcohol spreads so smoothly that you get a fine finish to the painting. And another specialty is 100% stain free, which I will demonstrate after the end of this painting. So please stick around till the end. So basically, I love using Nara papers for alcohol ink paintings. Here I wanted to show you the speciality of Nara paper. They say it is 100% stain free, so I'm just checking it out. So I added a drop of teal color to a Nara paper, and let's see if I can wipe it out with isopropyl alcohol. So you add isopropyl alcohol. I used 91%. You can use even more percentage. So basically add that and just wipe out with a tissue paper. So like you can see the stain will be 100% gone. You may have to repeat it with more layers of isopropyl alcohol and keep repeating the steps of wiping out until the stain is fully gone. So now I will also demonstrate on how to use this on old stains, dried up stains. So when you have the dried up stains, you can just repeat the same steps of adding the isopropyl alcohol and just wiping it. So basically if you made a mistake and you wanted to reuse the paper, this is the method, and it's 100% stain free. So the colors will be completely gone 100% when you follow this process.